Charles's gas law states that as a gas's temperature increases, so does its volume. Today we are going to be conducting an experiment to prove that law. The equipment that you will need for this experiment is a flask of hot water and a tray of ice cube water. You will also need a balloon and a glass bottle chilled for 1 hour. Step 1 of the experiment is to wrap the balloon around the nozzle of the bottle. So I will be doing that here for you right now. As we can see, the pressure inside of the bottle and the volume of the gas is very low, as proven by this flaccid balloon here. I am now going to place our bottle into the flask of hot liquid. Now, as we will see, the balloon will start to fill with air while the gases inside of the bottle begin to speed up and gain a whole lot more kinetic energy. As the bottle begins to heat up, the inside gases and air molecules inside the bottle are going to increase in speed and kinetic energy and begin to fill up the balloon with pressure. And it will take a little bit, but you can see that it is beginning to happen. So you can see it has been a while since I have put the bottle inside of the hot water. Now, depending on the heat of the water, it will take a longer amount of time for the balloon to expand. So I put mine at a very warm I put the water at a very warm temperature. So it's going to take a little bit longer for the balloon to expand. But we can begin to move on to the next step to our experiment. And that would be to move the bottle into the ice water. So now, as the bottle begins to cool down, the air inside of the bottle, the air molecules inside of the bottle will begin to slow down, thus decreasing the pressure inside of the bottle. So the balloon will begin to deflate. So as we can see here, the cold water, the ice water began to cool down the bottle and has decreased the air pressure inside of the balloon and inside of the bottle, and thus proving Charles's gas law.